Everybody, happy Thursday. We're jumping right into activity 4.2. Another example of a proportional relationship is a relationship between the number of hours a worker works and his or her wages earned in dollars. The amount of money M that Shayla earns varies directly with the number of hours she works. The equation describing the relationship is here. Money, total money, equals 9.25 times the number of hours she works. What does this constant, or 9.25, represent? 9.2 represents the hourly wage she makes. Okay? So she makes $9.25. It represents the hourly wage. And for every hour she earns $9.25. If she makes a certain amount of money, let's say $925, how many hours did she work? She worked 100. Okay. So we can use this constant to kind of figure this out. This is a real world application of proportionality, right? We're figuring out how much money you'll make based on how many hours you work. And then you're going to go ahead and complete this table. We're going to do this together. So I know that if I don't work, I don't earn any money, right? If I earned $112.85, I can just divide that by 925. Great opportunity to practice hour-long division. If I have a decimal here in the number that we're using to divide by, I slide it over, and then I have to slide over the equal number of place values in the divisor. So we have 925 doesn't go into 1, doesn't go into 11, doesn't go to 112. It will one time go into 1,128. So I go ahead and put 925 in here. I have 3, 0, 203. 925 does not go into 203. So I'm just going to go ahead and try 2. And 2 times that is 50. 2 times 9 is 18. So we've gone down to 5, 8, 185. We go here, and it's another 2. 2 times 925 is 1,850. I have 0 left over, and I worked 12.2 hours. Now, for if I worked 40 hours, I can take 40 and multiply it by 9.25. 5 times 0 is 0, times 5 times 4 is 20. Put in a place value 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 place value zeros, 9 times 0 is 0, 9 times 4 is 36. Add all these up, I get 37, 0, 0, 0. And I had 2 place values. Sorry, 2 place values. So I have to move it back 2 place values, and that equals $370. So all I'm doing is multiplying my number of hours times my constant, which is just my wage, how much money I make per hour. Now, if I did 10, I could just easily multiply that by 9.25 or $9.25, and I'd get $92.50 if I work 10 hours. And then another trick is you could just double, right? Or you could half the 40, and 20 hours would be doubling these two. So doubling 250 is 5, doubling 90 is 180, $185. That's what you make. All right. Your job is going to be to go ahead and do 3 and 4, and I'll be back to work on that.